Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring the phone has power and a reliable Wi-Fi connection so updates won't fail. Once backed up, open Settings and use the search bar to jump to the exact option. This saves time. Tap into Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and battery sections first to confirm connectivity and health. You do this because stable connections and sufficient charge prevent mid-process interruptions and data loss, making the rest of the settings changes safe and predictable. Now you'll adjust the core preferences that shape daily phone behavior. Start with display to set brightness, auto lock, and night mode so visibility and battery life improve. Devices behave better with consistent display settings. Then manage notifications to prioritize or silence apps, which reduces interruptions. Next, review privacy controls for location, microphone, and camera permissions so apps can only access what's necessary. By doing these steps, you reduce background activity and protect your data while improving performance. Finish by updating the operating system and apps to benefit from bug fixes and security patches. You'll see better stability once current. After updates, restart the device to apply changes and clear temporary issues. Make sure to verify that key functions, calls, data, camera, work as expected. If something still misbehaves, reset the specific settings page rather than a full factory reset. And if needed, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party app conflicts. This targeted approach fixes most problems without overcorrecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.